This is my pumpkin, to which I added the ELECTROCULTURE copper antenna 3 weeks ago. You can see the size of the plant then in the previous video, link in the description. Since after a week I didn't see any shocking growth, I added another antenna to the other pumpkin, this time counterclockwise, with the idea that the clockwise helps the plant take nutrients from soil and the counterclockwise helps add nutrients from air to the soil. I'm not sure if it's the antennas or the pumpkins simply like their spot, but they seem to be growing really well, considering that they are growing in just a few cups of soil and a layer of grass clippings on top of never amended, compacted clay soil. They are also watered only a can of water a day, and we are in the middle of severe drought. This is how the ground looks like in areas not covered with grass clippings, and it's right next to the pumpkin. I never before measured my pumpkin plant's leaves, but these do seem bigger than those last year's. They measure 12 by 13 inches. And I'm really curious, how big are yours? The pumpkin leaves, that is. If you'd like to share it in the comments. Also add if you are using the antennas or not. More updates on the pumpkin coming soon.